Hi Poli Glow family, I'm Len, one of the owners of Poli Glow. Poli Glow is a revolutionary restoration system developed over 25 years ago to restore, seal, and protect your boat or RV, bringing back that high gloss finish it once had. If you own an older boat or RV, you know how it feels to see the colors fade, the decals crack and peel, and stains set into the gel coat surface. This process is called oxidation, which ages and damages your prized possession. The only way to prevent this is to seal the gel coat. With traditional waxes and polishes, a long-lasting glossy finish is nearly impossible to achieve. The upkeep is burdensome, requiring compounding, buffing, and the reapplication of a sealer every few months. Here's the good news. Poli Glow is a simple process designed to avoid the problems of traditional waxes and polishes and provides a long-lasting protective finish. Poli Glow products will remove the oxidation and seal the fiberglass surface. The high-gloss Poli Glow finish contains state-of-the-art UV inhibitors, providing long-lasting shine and protection for up to 6 years with very little maintenance. If you own a new boat or RV, you want to prevent oxidation from setting in. Our team has developed products specifically tailored to help you protect and prolong the life of the high-gloss shine on the new gel coat with easy-to-use products. To learn more about the structured Poli Glow program that will keep your boat or RV looking clean, fresh, and basically just beautiful, click on the About Poli Glow tab at the top of the website. Join the Poli Glow family today. Shop now and give your boat or RV a gloss that's boss.